Hi everyone, we are back with our Southern Skeins at Yarn Advent, and well, now it is day 4. As you can tell, I am batch recording these. Just makes it a little easier for me. So let's go on to day 4. This is day 4's box, and I'm going to open it with you without tearing the box. And look, a whole new color. Hooray! Hooray, hooray. This is today's color. I'm trying to block my face for the camera. There's a tiny bit of yellow in it, and pinks. Very pretty. So we have day 1. We have day 2. We have day 3. And we have day 4. Very, very pretty. I think I'm going to wait until I get some colors to separate these two. I don't want these two colors this close together. But there we go. Very, very lovely. So, stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to do one more. And stay safe. Be kind to one another and happy yarning.